In this video, how to dispute a Venmo charge, I will show you step by step how to dispute a charge on Venmo. First, open the Venmo app on your phone. Log in to your account using your email or phone number. After logging in, tap the Me tab or profile icon. Now find the option called Transactions or Payments. Locate the transaction you want to dispute. Tap the transaction to view the details. Check the charge information before continuing. Now look for the option called Get Help or Report a Problem. Tap this option to start the dispute process. Select the reason for disputing the charge. For example, unauthorized charge or incorrect amount. Explain the issue in the description field. Provide clear details about the problem. After that, submit the request to Venmo support. Venmo will review the submitted information. The process may take a few days for a response. You can track the dispute status inside the app. Support may request additional information if needed. After review, Venmo will inform you about the result. This is how you can dispute a charge on Venmo.